Hello, Shay here from Crafting with Shay. We have got a cute one for you today from Munimade. This is ParaCUTES. It has got these adorable little animals right here, all floating with balloons. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sticker sheet and I can show you what the original artwork looks like. Look at so it looks like you've got a cat, a little kitty right here, a puppy, and it looks like a bear. And they all have little balloons that they're floating in the sky. So it's called ParaCUTES and it is licensed artwork from Jessica Maltezzo. It is round diamonds. And the diamond amount is 16,071. The image size of the entire image is 30 by 42 in centimeters or 11.8 by 16.5 in inches. And it does have 29 colors. Look at this. I love this painting. It is adorable. So with this painting, you do get the sticker sheet, okay? The sheet, this entire thing is a sticker. And what I love is all of these are individually cut. So you just peel and stick and put them on your storage containers. And also it shows 2 ABs and 2 shimmers, and they're also identified by different colors, which I love. So let's go ahead and see what the colors look like, okay? Now, the drills are individually bagged and in order. So if you want to work straight out of baggies, you can do that. Look at these beautiful, fun colors. There's lots of pastels. You've got the pink, the purples, the light browns, the light yellow. Oh, I love this. All right. So along with this, you do get 2 ABs, and AB stands for Aurora Borealis. You can see it's a special coating on there that makes them sparkle just a little bit brighter than some of the other drills. And then we also have 2 shimmer, and the shimmers have like a little light dusting, a light coating on there. So let's see where these go. Let's start with 5200, which is white, and that is the little, that symbol. So where that's gonna be is right here, and it almost looks like constellations, like almost like stars right here. It's gonna be in the stars that you see right there. And also over here, almost like little bubbles, like little clouds right here. Another set of stars here. And then these all right here, okay? So it's all gonna be that 5200, that white AB. The next one, this is a good size bag, is 818. And that's another, it's a light pink. And that's gonna be the question mark. So where I see the question mark is, I definitely see it in the puppy over here, all in the puppy's skin, right here, throughout the entire little puppy, I see that. So that puppy's gonna kind of be like a light pink and white color, all right? And then we have our 2 shimmer drills. This one is 3865, it is a white, and that's gonna be the clouds right here. All this white you see is all gonna be this shimmer drill, all this white here, okay? And also in their hats, their little party hats. Yep, and also in this little white area right here in this balloon. Oh, this is just the cutest thing ever. All right, so this is 758 shimmer. And this one is gonna be all in the bear. This entire bear is gonna be all that symbol. So you've got the kitty, the puppy, and the bear, and these, you got 2, looks like a heart balloon, looks like a little face. I'm not sure what kind of animal, and then you have another balloon here. These are so cute. All right, so we've looked at the drills. Now, I also want to talk about some upgrades that you can do, okay? You can upgrade to a premium toolkit. And when you do that, you're going to be receiving a Munimade tray, okay? Now, it's going to be a lot bigger than this. This is just a swatch to just give you an idea of, the color. The color will be, you'll receive a small Sakura pink tray with a lid and a stopper, okay? And then you also can upgrade to a dust bag, and you'll be getting a small pink dust bag. This protects your diamond painting. While it's being stored, it's got the drawstring sides, so it's just perfect. And also, they also offer this tag. So what you can do is you can purchase one of the extendable carrying tubes and attach this to the strap. Or what I've done before is I've actually put this tag inside my bag of drills, and that way you know what drills go to what diamond painting, okay? So yes, this is available right now on munimade.com. Go check it out. It's a great size. Like I said, it's a 30 by 42 in centimeters. Cute kit, even for kids, adults. It's just a great snack size. It makes me happy. It's just fun colors. You got lots of pinks and purples. So yeah, go check it out. Until next time, I'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.